Hi, I'm Steve Sickles and I'm here to talk about the technical process for creating shrink labels. First off, for those of you who don't know, the shrink sleeve allows for a 360-degree label with full graphic impact conform to your product container in nearly any way you want. Shrink sleeve labels also create a tamper-evident feature. Additionally, the bottle will be completely recyclable as the entire label can be cleanly torn away. Shrink is a type of film label that uses no adhesives, as the label is simply shrunk around the product using intense heat. This heat causes the film to tighten and conform perfectly to the chosen bottle shape within it. However, the process for creating shrink labels is much more challenging than regular pressure-sensitive labels. Shrink sleeves, like pressure-sensitive labels, can be printed on our flexographic or digital presses. From there, the rolls are inspected by our quality control department, and then the material is seamed together to create the sleeve ready for application. We also use an air inspection machine to guarantee the integrity of your seam. Because heat can cause the shrink labels to pre-shrink, making them unusable, we must be very careful to prevent the labels from reaching high temperatures. This may require using a refrigerated shipping truck for long distances and us helping you to decide on how to store them. Storing shrink sleeves in a warehouse is not recommended. In order to best satisfy you, we need a sample of your bottle and know how you're applying the labels, whether by hand or application machine. This will be the deciding factor should we need to ship the sleeves to you on rolls or cut and stacked. Either way, you need a heat tunnel specifically designed for shrink sleeves, not shrink wrap, and we can refer you to the right people if you need any help with this. Once we have your bottle, we take detailed measurements to figure out the appropriate material to use. We use test sleeves with our in-house steam tunnel to make sure the sleeve will conform to your liking. We will then be able to determine the appropriate shrink material to use for your container. After the grid test is approved, our in-house art department reviews your artwork files and details them for our printing presses. The artwork is distorted so the graphics will achieve the desired results after being shrunk. Before we begin your order, we'll send you a 3D model as well as a physical prototype for you to approve before we print. After that, it's on to production. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the technical process. We're here to make sure you're happy with your labels, and our customer service team will guide you through the process and ensure your satisfaction.